welcome back to my channel. So for this video, we will be doing an unboxing and product review of a proudly Pinoy-made skincare product, Beautygeek. Continue watching to see how it made my face look like this. So Beautygeek is locally made, so proudly Pinoy, and promotes better and healthier skin. Their products are FDA approved, cruelty free, and paraben free. Beautygeek Skin Reboot Skincare Set includes rosehip infused soap cleanser, refreshing toner, wonder serum, and sunblock with SPF 45. So they said this skincare products is made for oily skin and acne-prone skin, just like my face. So if relate ka, continue watching and tingnan natin kung effective ba to sa atin. And also made for dehydrated and damaged skin. And this set with 4 items inside costs at around 550 pesos only. So continue watching to see if it's worth it ba, effective ba sa ating skin. Ready to reboot? The benefits of using the skincare includes promotes collagen production, wow, balances skin hydration, keeps acne at bay, skin feels and looks nourished, gives a youthful, natural glow, evens out skin tone, ayan, kung madaming pimple marks, brightens skin, plump skin, smoothens skin texture, minimizes pores, ayan, ang cause ng acne. Controls sebum or oil, ayan, para sa mga oily skin talaga na katulad ko. And heals the skin. So let's find out if totoo nga yung sinasabi nila. So let's proceed. The color of the packaging is perfect for this year's color. Very Perry, Katy Perry, so cutie. Of course, matchy-matchy with the dress I'm wearing. Everything you need to know about this product is in the box. Very detailed, very efficient ng packaging. It shows the benefits, ingredients per item, how to use, contents, and some caution when using. You can also check their social media accounts if you have questions or you just want to be updated with their promos or products. Know that we have different skin types that may affect the results or reaction to our face. Hiyang sa akin or others may not be hiyang sa'yo and vice versa. So don't forget to do a patch test first by applying some of the products in the inside of your forearm 48 hours before applying it to your face. Discontinue use if there's irritation. So add this to your day and night skincare routine. So in the morning, first, wash your face with the soap. This removes oil and dirt for a fresh, clean, and glowing skin. This cleanser helps lighten acne marks, hyperpigmentation, and removes dead skin cells. So the soap has a mild scent, hindi siya strong, at hindi siya shocking tulad ng ibang soap na cleanser. So next is the toner. Apply it gently using cotton in upwards motion. Wipe onto face and neck, avoiding eye and lip area. This removes stubborn, tigas na ulo, na dirt and oil for better absorption ng skincare products. So what I like about this product is wala siyang sting, hindi mahapde. So next is applying this serum all over the face. And of course, let it dry first before applying the next product. So this serum gives a good dose of collagen for our skin. Lesser visible pores and fine lines. So gel type siya and turns like water as it touches the skin. And I can say, hindi siya malagkit sa feeling. So last but definitely not the least is applying this sunblock. So apply this 30 minutes before going out. Has the right amount of SPF, protects us from the sun, and controls the oil. Again, gel type siya katulad ng serum pero matte finish. So kahit oily ako, masasabi ko talaga throughout the whole day, hindi siya ganun ka-oily like before. So yeah, ang nice sa feeling. Ayan, so kabuuan, I can say na nag-improve ang aking skin. O, diba? Tingnan nyo naman, nag-glow talaga ang aking skin, ang aking face. At, diba? Mas clearer na siya ngayon like before. So, ayan o, diba? So, with continued use, you will really see the effect of this skincare set. For the night time, just do the same lang din. Of course, except the sunblock. Ayan, by this time, I know na na-encourage ko na kayong itry yung product na to, idagdag sa daily skincare natin. And thanks to Beautygeek, posible maging clear, glowing skin ang ating face. So, available to online, especially in Shopee and Lazada. I will put the links in the description box. So you will receive a 10% discount for first purchase. So, 10% off for the set with 4 products. Diba? 495 pesos na lang para sa 4 na products and clearer skin. And the products can also be bought individually. So, kung may mas gusto ka, mas prefer mo yung serum lang, ganyan, or mas naunang naubos yung toner, or may mas favorite kang Beautygeek product. So, let me know through the comment box below if you have questions, concerns, stories about your sensitive skin. Let's wake up to a brighter, better, and healthier skin every day, okay? So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye-bye!